So lately there's been this hole in my life that only the purchase of new junk could fill. And also I was watching a live stream.
Sure? Yeah. Oh my god.
I want it, give it to me now. Take my money. Take it, Musk. That's a phone number. Take my money. Musk, you apartheid piece of... Yeah, so I pre-ordered a Cybertruck, and today I got a thing. So let's go out to the garage and we'll check it out. Right, so what we've actually got here is the Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck. I don't even remember when I pre-ordered this thing. It was forever ago, and it arriving was actually a total surprise. Looks like we've got a few things here on the box. On the back, we've got 2 ways to play. Looks like this will fit on standard Hot Wheels tracks, or you can just drive it around as normal, which I actually think is awesome. I don't even have any Hot Wheels tracks anymore. This track system looks completely different to me. It looks like they added a button to more easily pull it apart. Innovation in the Hot Wheels space. Who'da thunk? On the side, RC Cybertruck, and on the other side, RC Cybertruck. If you're 0 to 3, you are probably sad, and then if you eat it, you might die. Whole bunch of legalese on the back. It looks like it comes with one little piece of track, a ramp to go from the free driving mode to the on the Hot Wheels track mode. Neat. I'm going to try not to destroy the box here. I kind of want to keep this in the box when I'm done with it. Oh my gosh, so many papers. Hot Wheels RC. Oh, it's got a Cybertruck on it. Oh no, it unfolds like a map. Bruh, it's a thing. Why is it in every language? Why do no large companies know how to make good instructions? Done it wrong. Okay, well that's garbage. Why is Apple the only company that can competently make instructions? Oh, that's kind of neat. It's held in with little quick releases. So I just undo the, oh, and it falls out. Look at that. That's actually innovative packaging there from Hot Wheels. Good job. Okay, you've just got to tear that. Oh my gosh. Well, it's good to know that toy packaging is still just as awful as it was when I was younger. There we go. Oh wow, it actually freewheels pretty good. I was assuming there'd be more drag from the motor. This must tank turn because the front wheels do not turn any. That is off/charge and that is on. That is charged there, so that must mean there is a charger. How about that? Built in. Wow, that's actually a really neat design. Hot Wheels, you're actually impressing me quite a bit here. So it looks like I'm gonna need some batteries, which I may or may not have. Why do I only have large screwdrivers when I need small ones? Everything should be lithium ion and rechargeable. Cars included. Is it charging? I can't tell. Maybe I should actually read those instructions. Oh, hey, it's connected. Oh, it does tank turn. But why though? That, if this isn't a feature on the actual car, I'm going to be super disappointed. Why? That's... Well, that's an interesting little thing. It's honestly about as detailed as your average Hot Wheels. Not that there's not a whole lot of detail on it, considering the fact that it is and trapezoid with wheels. But yeah, that's a neat little thing. I quite like it, actually. It works pretty well, and it's absolutely hilarious. It weighs absolutely nothing, gets stuck on everything, but I imagine if you had some track, it'd be pretty neat to have a self-propelled little car to go on your Hot Wheels track. And hey, unlike the real Cybertruck, this actually exists, and it's a thing that people can buy, I think. I think you can get these other than the pre-order. I got mine through the pre-order like a year ago, and it just now showed up, which is still a better track record for ordering to receiving than Tesla actually has. So yeah, that is the 2021 Cybertruck. It's a bit smaller than I think Elon Musk's advertised. I don't think I can easily fit in this one. But hey, you know, still kind of fun. Thanks for watching.